We're gonna table that.
Okay, I make a motion to table.
Good idea.
Second for the table. On second, all in favor?
Aye.
Okay, request from Pittsburgh Legend, which is a 12-plus older league for Veterans Park rental, September through October, Tuesdays evenings for practices only. So before we get to this, the other baseball, one of the other baseball teams, which happens to be also the fire department fundraiser, a softball thing, he came in to return his keys for that league and to get his deposit. He said that all of the bases in the pitcher's mound are put away for the year. He said, being that, what? What?
They don't need anything, they
Okay.
just need the bills.
Okay, so their thing is because they put it away for their baseball, the fire department, baseball tournaments, that if a league came in, then somebody like the road crew would have to put the pitcher's mound back out and then put it back in for the this and that. And so he requested that we make the motion, if we make the motion to lease out for these people, that we just say that they have to bring their own bases and pitcher's mound, because the ones here in Union Township have all been put away for this season. So that's all.
They don't need, I
What?
talked to them, they don't need any of it.
You don't need any of that, okay.
But I guess they're bringing everything they need. Suction, right? Yeah.
So,
So it's for September, October.
and this would be Tuesday evenings for practices. So, I make the motion, conditional upon that they bring their own bases and pitcher's mound, since the Union Townships have all been put away for the year.
I'll second.
Okay?
Just with the, normal insurance certificates and charges.
Yeah, they signed the same lease as the other ones, too, same price, same lease, same everything, yeah. Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion to advertise the continuation of the hearing, Maronda Homes Tuscany Estates hearing. This would be for their, continuation with the,
September 16th, I believe, at 6:30.
Yeah, there's already letters posted up.
I didn't want,
so we just marking, they're actually
Yeah.
paying for this, so although that stuff's been done, it's marking for the
Okay.
I
audit.
didn't want, we didn't want to run into time crunch to get these things out, so
Yeah.
I advised Tam to start moving us so we don't have.
Very good, Dennis.
And this would be at the developed Miranda Homes expense. Okay, so I make that motion,
Good.
all second, all in favor?
Aye.
Okay, Carl, can I ask you to, read this one, because I misspelled his name and I can't pronounce his name.
Kickoff.
Okay. Okay. Do it again.
Kikoski.
Okay. Motion to hire Steve, the name he just said, to install additional surveillance cameras that are already owned by the township. So
What are the costs for that?
So, we were gonna probably put underneath a certain amount, it's a couple of cameras to, do some things, work with it would be more than just the cameras, because he's gonna work, he would be working with the chief. We have problems with the cameras are angling too far out into the road. Also, they're angling the ones in front of this building, catching these halogen bulbs on. And the one that hits the best is the side, but the ones that are facing
Yeah.
forward just are blinded by these lights. And so the chief said he would work with them, but also, I didn't know the other building has a generator, but those cameras are going out. They went out 3 times in the last day or so. And it is not the breakers, because you would have a camera picture of someone going into the breaker room.
He
But
seems
they're
a very
going out.
competent kid, I have no issue with that, but I like him also to interface with the police department, Chief
He
Harris,
would be working with Chief Harris
and
and
fix these
He
things.
was talking to him about it.
So, could we have a not to exceed amount then? So it would be,
Say 2,500, 3,000?
okay, so let's see,
Does that sound?
2,500, that, so not to exceed that, he'd have to, if it takes more than that, he'll have to come. What we we have is some cameras that are already attached to this building from the other system. It would be to wire them into this system.
And that's fine. Can he also take a look at these things?
Yeah.
He says these are really bad.
I believe you, I like the guy.
Yeah.
So it would be priced it out, I mean, if we have to go through buying some, then he'd have to give us what, you know, go find, give us some bids or whatever.
Yeah, 3,000.
So not to exceed 3,000, and that would also include in working on these microphones.
Correct.
Okay, so cameras and microphones, working with the chief of police.
Correct.
And not to exceed 3,000.
Is
Is that what
Steve
you're
still
saying?
out there?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't
There
know
he
he
is,
was out there.
there's the guy we're talking about. Could you give me a nice pronunciation of your name?
Steve Chuckolsky.
Chikolsky.
Close. Chuckolsky.
Is it an Italian name?
Sound Polish.
But I'm basically.
So, you'll reach out to the chief, Steve?
Yes.
And work with him, and he took a good look at everything today, we were walking
Yes.
around.
I wanna talk to him about my
What's the
camera.
question,
They're
John?
driving me insane.
My understanding, camera situation is still up in the air. The original cameras we had installed. I'm sure these cameras will probably interface with the computer system that we use on the system. Do we have any warranty on this, anything?
There's no computer, it's going to a DVR.
Yeah, the devices.
Yeah.
So does this
It's the,
affect
it's,
anything we have from the original installer of
No.
the system?
no, there's no, it wouldn't, because that's warranty's up anyway.
So,
But
are we ever gonna resolve the issue with that?
with the warranty being up,
No, with the payment of the contract.
well, that's different than the warranty was 1 year, it was 2.5 years ago.
We have to pay, we need to pay the bill.
But we never paid.
We short paid the bill because of the issues with the camera, which we still have. So,
So is that matter closed?
yeah, that matter's been closed,
All right, so let's
unless
go.
somebody wants to bring it back up, I thought we closed that a year ago.
So let's
But
get
if
this-
somebody wants to bring it back up, bring it back up, put
Let's-
something together and put it on the agenda, but I thought we closed it a year ago.
All right, so we're back on the motion, all right?
We're back on the motion.
So let's, we'll vote on the motion.
Okay. So, anyone wanna make that
There's
motion?
already a motion made.
I didn't hear who made it.
Larry Spears made a motion to
Okay,
utilize the
up to
service.
3,000. Oh, to including the, leaving the microphone.
I'll second.
Okay, Suzanne second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Paul,
Okay.
you abstaining?
Yes.
Do all of our supervisors have access to the videos?
Yeah.
Do they?
Yeah. What was that?
Have they always had it?
Oh, yeah, since 2023, it's been in the room.
Everybody's
The
had it?
cameras.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back to
Yeah,
me.
it's been pushed out.
All right, go back.
People seem to think they know more than what they know, but it's been taped to the box since 2023.
Who knows? I'm sorry.
Hey, guys, the meeting's, we're in the middle, you can ask
I'm
a
sorry, you
question.
missed something she
All
said.
right, go ahead.
Must be a lie. She repeated that for me.
Oh my
Go ahead, so
God.
what's the next topic?
Upcoming grant opportunities, county, statewide, local,